Hello, my name is Anthony Joseph and I'm from Office Plus. What we are currently doing is we want to demonstrate a setup that we've recently done. In this setup is being done in a room that is 12 by 8 meters. So it's a pretty large room. We have a U-shaped table which can seat approximately 12 and 16 people in this room. There are a total of 3 microphones. So what I'm watching is a projection screen, a very large projection screen. There are 2 cameras on the left and right of this microphone, of this projection screen. There is a camera right behind me that is used for lecturer tracking or presenter tracking. We have done something interesting, which is a use of Clear One BMA 360 ceiling tile microphones. There are 2 of them in this room, which is picking up my voice right now. We are using any variable microphones. Neither are my colleagues using any of those. And another interesting thing is we're using the ceiling tile microphones to direct the camera to track to predefined presets. So as soon as I started speaking, the camera that is there to my right has picked me up. My colleague Pinto, Abhinand, and Griffith from Clear One are also there in this room. So I will hand over to Griffith to explain in more detail the camera tracking.
Hello, and we are very happy to demonstrate the automated preset recall. Here I am. The amount of camera switching time that you would see is pretty much customizable. You can change the switching time according to your choice, what you like. So that is pretty much doable. At the moment, we are using about 3 seconds of buffer, and beam switching is about half a second. And we are doing this recording here in Dubai, and right now we're having a very nice temperature. It's about 25 degrees Celsius towards the evening.
That's right. Yeah.
And the other thing is it does allow minor interruptions. For example, I did ask something and Anthony responded. For that short duration of communication or sound from Anthony, the camera didn't switch over to that phase. So that means with that 3 to 4 second switching time, that allows minor interruptions in switching. I would now say hello to Abhinand. Hello, Abhinand.
Hi, Griffith. Yeah, thank you. I just want to notify a couple of other things actually. Okay, so my colleagues already covered how this room works actually, what is the table shape and what is the maximum seating capacity and all. I just want to let you know, like, we do have some other noises as well in this room, like AC noise and some fan noises is always in this room, and I'm pretty sure like in the recording it wouldn't get it captured because all those noises are like filtered out.
I mentioned about the third camera, so I just want to show you the features of the third camera. The third camera is basically used by a presenter. So this room is a multi-purpose room, just as Griffith mentioned. So a lot of trainings also happen in this room. I could be walking around in this room. So what we have used is for the lecturer capture, we have used a tracking camera, which is tracking the lecturer as he moves around the room. And as you can see, all of this is automated. The switching between the camera, the tracking camera getting automatically activated and doing the tracking. All of this is automated. So once there is a meeting happening in this room, whether it's a boardroom style meeting, whether it's a classroom theater style meeting, or it is a U-shaped conference call that we're having, everything is automated. We are not worried about where the microphone is. We are not worried about which camera is getting activated. And today is just the day that we finish this install. So the client is not there right now in this room, and it's pretty late in the evening. But I think you get a fairly good idea of what we are done in this room. Certainly, there's a bit more fine-tuning to be done, but let us reserve it for the client to give some feedback before we do that. Yeah. So thanks, Griffith. Thanks, Abhinand. Thanks, Tinto. Great help. Yeah. Cheers.
Thanks, Anthony.
Thank you.